Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Trim excess fat and cut 1 lb boneless chicken into 1-inch cubes for even cooking. Use 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp paprika, 1/2 tsp black pepper, and 2 cloves minced garlic to create a balanced marinade. Mix thoroughly and coat chicken pieces, then cover and chill for at least 1 hour or up to 8 hours for deeper flavor. Reserve 2 tablespoon yogurt marinade to baste during cooking. Soak wooden skewers for 30 minutes or use metal skewers. Thread chicken onto skewers, leaving about 1/2 inch space between pieces to allow heat circulation. Arrange onions and bell pepper pieces between chicken for moisture and flavor if desired. Marinate assembled skewers for at least 1 hour or up to 8 hours. Longer marination increases tenderness and spice penetration. Keep skewers refrigerated while marinating, then remove and bring to room temperature for 20 minutes before grilling to promote even cooking. Preheat a grill or grill pan to medium-high, roughly 400 degrees F, to achieve a good sear and char without overcooking. Place skewers on the grill and cook for 8–10 minutes total, turning every 2 minutes and basting with the reserved 2 tablespoon yogurt marinade to maintain moisture and encourage caramelization. Use an instant-read thermometer. Chicken is done at 165 degrees F internal temperature. After removing from heat, rest kababs for 5 minutes to let juices redistribute. Then serve with lemon wedges and optional.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.